Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite lureworks colors, and that's the chameleon. So we're going to keep it short and simple. Let's get into this so you can see this thing change. We're going to use lureworks chameleon. It's the 154. We're going to use some black 0.040 hex flake. And then we're going to use some purple 0.015. So it's hot, it's summertime, you're going to be fishing some soft plastics and you're going to slow your presentation down a lot. So I think this color will really help. We're going to shoot it with the Hog Salad Mold's old buzzard mold, just simply because you can see that thing from thin to thick. It's a very good color presentation mold to show you guys. So let's get into it. Alright, so we're going to start off with the lureworks chameleon dye. It's the 154, and we're going to do 40 drops to 1 cup. So if you guys like how this color turns out, go ahead and get you a bottle of this stuff. I got another video I'll be doing here in a couple of weeks with the same color in it, so. Let me get this in the vacuum pot because I want it to be clear in the tail so you guys can see it really good. So let's get our purple flake in there. So I'm going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of the purple flake. And then I'm going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon for the black. See how that black flake kind of makes it shift colors right there? So depending on how much black you got in it is going to be what it shifts. You guys are going to love this color. Let's get this thing injected. So there it just looks like it's kind of, I don't know, like a purple, almost like a light shade of morning dawn. But then in our cup it looks brown on the top and purple on the bottom. Top this off one more time. Alright, let's get it unmolded. Of course they're gonna go everywhere. I told you guys, I tried for you. Just not very hard. So tell me that color is not awesome. You can see like the tails are purple, but then the body, as it gets thicker, it turns into that brownish color it changes into. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. Let me take you guys outside in the sunlight, see if it's different. And to be honest with you, I would fish this in stained water or clear water. It's just a good all-around color. It's just a super cool color. There you have it, guys. Just another super cool changeable color. The more I play with the changeables, the more I like them. There you have it, guys. Another great color by Lureworks. And that's awesome in that hog salad mold. If I can get it to focus. So until next time, guys, keep fishing. Get you some of this.